Here we will learn about the main steps of factory acceptance test.
Okay. 42 ms 60 volts. Okay, then 803.
This is the first part of that FAT. Here in this first part we will check about how to verification of the documents and visual inspection of the lot and checking the packing list. So in office we sit and check all the offered material list, then we verify from the packing list each and every material, uh, and we verify from the drawings also that if all the materials related to a tower is offered or not, if there is any additional member, that also we verify. So according to the packing list, and in that offered lot we randomly select some members for testing. So we mark there in the office. After that we will go to the yard to verify the material as per the packing list. So we have the packing list, and here boxes of bolts and nuts are there.
No, you do your work, no issue.
From the packing list we will check how many boxes are offered, then we will count here all those boxes. Inside every box what kind of material is there, how many nuts, bolts, washer, spring washer, all those things are written. We will verify from
show me this dark one.
packing list.
154.
All
Yes.
those are available.
154 is internal billable lot and box number is this one.
Then we will open the boxes,
Okay, show me 1095.
and
1095.
inside few boxes we will verify the
Where is
material, whatever
1095?
is written in that list, it is available or not. Then we will collect some samples for further testing. So randomly we are opening.
Okay, you read that.
We will
What is
collect
inside?
the samples.
Just stand please.
1095.
Wait.
095
Huh.
ACD rod 800 pieces.
800 pieces.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So only one item?
Only one item.
Okay. What do you have in this box? In your list, please. In your list.
Okay, box number 1097. The first item is ACD rod and another second is special bolt.
A special bolt.
Yes, SLB. The second one SLB.
How many? You just stand, please. Huh?
ACD rod number of pieces are 620 and special bolt is 10 pieces.
Okay. Thank you. What is the dia? Dia is not written here?
No.
Okay, just a special bolt.
Yes.
The special bolt is die 60 and length is 40.
मुझे लग रहा है कि एसिडी रॉड जब लगाते हैं ना सर,
We will open
एंडिंग में
few
नहीं लग पा
bags.
रहा होगा तो उसी में वो फिट करके छोड़ देते हैं. होल ऐसे नहीं छोड़ना है बोल के उसको
Visually we will inspect if bolt quality in general is okay.
If you need to
And we will
close the
collect some
holes, only
samples.
11 you need?
maybe side requirement.
Sampling criteria is already mentioned in the ITP, that is inspection and testing plan.
Flat washer 20/3 निकालो.
How many bolts or nuts we have to select, that is mentioned.
Yeah, what?
So accordingly, so as per the ITP, if there are more than 30,000 pieces, then we have to take 50 pieces as sample for further testing, yani mechanical testing, galvanization, physical properties, chemical testing, for all those testing we have to take 50 samples, and each test will be done on 50 samples. We have opened the bag of washer
अरे उठा दो पीछे तरफ से
and we are taking spread it to check if there is any abnormality. Similarly for bolt,
बड़ा बोर्ड
taking sample.
Total how much bolt you have here?
14 tons.
Check in your list. 14 tons.
14 tons.
Now we are going for the tower material, yani the angles and cleats, the structural steel part. So this is the yard where all those materials are kept. We have already marked which member has to be taken for further investigation, testing. But in general, we have to check all the packing list if all the material is available here. So randomly from the packing list, we are saying, okay, where is this bundle, where is this bundle. So few bundles where we will verify randomly. These are the crates.
वो लिस्ट दिया था किधर है
एक लीड लिया था ना
ये सैंपल देखा नहीं वो वैल्यूज उसकी अलग है
मिलने का इसमें रहेगा ओपन करो कारो
हाँ इधर है जाने दो और आगे
We will visually check if in general the materials are okay, and whatever member we have identified earlier, we will try to find those members and take it for further investigation. We are also verifying the pieces in some bundles, because in one bundle maybe there will be 10 pieces or 100 pieces depending on the size of the members. So randomly we will verify few bundles, we'll verify the quantity, we will verify whatever is inside the bundle. These members are very heavy, so people cannot take. We need to use heavy machinery for lifting and shifting. So now the samples, whatever was collected in the yard, that has been brought near the lab, and here we will check, we will do the dimensional inspection and notching, cutting, bending, all those things we will verify. Then we will cut the samples for lab testing, mechanical properties, chemical properties, etc. We will check in part 2 all those things.